hindi ka hinihinga ng down payment?
Cash binayaran yung materials niya.
Hindi ko nakita kasi nandun ako sa labas. Pero hindi yung nasa loob.
Saka rin ang patong nga, sir. Lumakit ka doon, hiningal ka.
Oo.
Nakapagod ako.
Pahinga kaya ako doon.
Kaya hindi ako masyadong eh.
Pahinga ako doon sa 3-4 ng hagdan. Pahinga ako. Lakad ulit.
Oo ba, hindi nakakapagod.
Lalo na, no, akyat ko, ang daming tubong naka-eke. Tangina, yuyuko ka, lalaktang ka.
Pa rin yung dito.
By George Michael from 1987, right here on 103.5 K-Light. It's exactly 11:47 on the clock, which means I gotta go, because Kim's already here in the booth, and she is more than eager to play the music that you want here from the early 80s all the way until the early 90s. So saying goodbye to Tog and to Dodgy Vivares. How are you, my dear? I missed reading your tweets. I'm saying hi to the people over our Facebook page. We got Ate Bang, we got Artem, we got Kuya Ice as well, Kuya Louie. Hi, how are you all? And lastly also, we got our text line, we got Jason. And I want to congratulate all the GSW fans out there. Yes, that includes the bandwagon.
Ito na siya, no?
Hardcore fan kasi. Anyway, it's a little more fun last year.
But?
Si Baltro, ito, sino to? Ito.
Contractor yan. Kay Baltro. Ano, pasok ko ba natin? Hindi, tabi mo na sa truck. O, pasok mo lang. Pag na-unload, tabi mo sa truck.
I think she can be your frustrated psychologist.
Unload mo, para may attract ko.
Para na yan, automatic yan.